Hey everyone, welcome back. We are sitting out here in the apartment garden, and as you can see in the little clip before I came on here, that I have some corn. So we're sitting out here and we're going to go ahead and chuck this corn, and today we're going to show you how to reserve your corn from your harvest. This is not a canning video, it's not a dehydrating video, it's kind of like a short-term up to a year kind of how to freeze your corn so you can get that nice garden freezer corn, get my words out here today, throughout the winter. So that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be shucking this corn, and then we'll go inside and I'll show you how we prepare it for the freezer. What we did is we chucked all the corn, and how you can tell this is really sweet corn. As I was pulling it down, some of these were bursting, and they were so juicy, and I tasted the kernel, and it is good and sweet. This is the marbled corn, and I have a pot over here with water that is heating up. I'm going to go ahead and bring this up to a boil. Put our corn in once it becomes a full rolling boil, and we'll put our corn in and let it blanch for 3 minutes, and then I'll move it over to the sink in a nice cold water bath so that it will not continue cooking and retain the juices. The water has came up to a boil. You're going to add your corn in carefully. And you don't have to wait for it to come up to a boil again. You just set your timer for 3 minutes and take it out. The corn has been boiling for 3 minutes. We're going to take it out and put it in this ice bath. And let that start cooling down. I have it in a bowl here. And we're going to put the next batch in the boiler to do their 3 minutes. So I laid a clean cloth down, and the first batch is cool enough to work with now. And if you see over here, I have a bump pan. Now some people are doing a video where you go like this and you push it down, and cob goes into the bucket underneath and corn stays in the butt part. I tried that. I don't know if there's different size holes, but mine is too small. So I improvised. Take the sharper point of the corn and hold the top, and I just used an electric knife. And go down. And there you have it. I just usually take the bottom and go across here, make sure that we get all of it. And you can save this for your corn cob jelly if you choose to make it. They say it tastes like honey. I'm just going to continue going through. go ahead and finish these up, and then we'll move on to the next step. So this was 4 ear of corn, and I got a little Ziploc bag here, marked it with sweet corn and a date. And at this point, you're just going to fill it up. We go with it just being my husband and I and Carmen. Usually we fill it up about 2 corns each, 2 corn ears, I should say, each. About like that. And then I'll go ahead and not completely seal this, but set it over to the side while I finish filling up the other one. And then we'll move on to how to get the air out of it and put them in the freezer. So you see that we have our sweet corn. This is just one of the smaller bags that was extra. So I have my water down here. And I don't know how well you're going to be able to see this. Let's see if we can get you adjusted here. So I'm going to put this, and I've got it closed all the way to about my finger. And you're just going to press that down and keep the hole above the water so you get all the air out. And then go ahead and seal. And there you have it. There's no air in there, so it will stay good in your freezer and not get freezer burnt. We'll do another one here. I've closed it to about my finger, dipped it in the cold water, pushed down to that hole, and seal. No air. Stays fresh longer and no freezer burnt corn. There it is. 5 bags of corn ready for the freezer. Thank you for joining me today. Hopefully this will help you out. You can vacuum seal your corn if you choose to. I just noticed that with sweet corn it has a lot of juice and it doesn't seal as well for me. So that was another way that you can preserve your food for the freezer and not have to worry about freezer burn. Please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and share. God bless and have a great day.